It's time for Rene the Parrot's 2017 Oscar picks. Just as in previous years, Rene's method is to do diligent research and then indicate his choice by choosing a sunflower seed next to the name of the person or film. So, best achievement in cinematography, La La Land. Film editing. Hell or High Water. Best supporting actress. Did you choose best supporting actress? Naomi Harris, Moonlight. Best live action short film. Ready for best live action short film? Take your pick, think about it. Think about it. Animus Interiors. Best actress. Ready for best actress? Choose the best actress.
Isabelle Huppert.
L. Makeup and hair.
A Man Called Uwe.
Best original song. For best original song? Best original song. Can't Stop the Feeling from Trolls. Best original score. Best original score. La La Land. Best adapted screenplay. Best adapted screenplay. Moonlight. Sound editing. Sound editing. La La Land. Best short subject documentary. Picking two is against the rules. You can't pick two. I have to redo that. The White Helmets. Costume design. Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Best original screenplay. La La Land. Best foreign film. Best foreign film. Tony Erdmann. Best actor. For best actor. Denzel Washington, Fences. Best animated short film. Borrowed Time. Best supporting actor. For best supporting actor. Mahershala Ali, Moonlight. Best animated feature film. Best animated feature film. My Life as a Zucchini. Best documentary feature. Life animated. Best picture. For best picture. This is a big one. Look them over, look them over, look them over. Moonlight. Sound mixing. Rogue One. Best Director. Damien Chazelle, La La Land. Production Design. Arrival. Visual Effects. Doctor Strange. And that's it for this year's Oscar picks.